Hey guys, Microsoft Office hero Oscar Chacon here, and today we're going to be looking at how you can use the pen to do both inking and editing in Microsoft Word. So if you've ever found yourself wondering, well, how can I use the pen in my computer? It's really important for you to understand that both touch and inking is deeply integrated into both Windows 10 and Microsoft Office. For today, we're going to be using Microsoft Word, and I'll show you guys two ways, both inking and editing, that you can really make use of your pen. So I've gone ahead and I've opened up the document in Microsoft Word, but before I get started, I just want to point out that yes, I could easily use it in this landscape mode. But whenever we have a 2-in-1 form factor like the Surface Pro, I think it makes most sense to really just kind of rotate the screen, place it in portrait mode. That way we're really kind of maximizing our screen space. So we're going to start by clicking on the Draw tab on the top, which is going to bring down all of our inking tools. I'm going to go ahead and pin it in place so that it stays on the top of the screen. And we're going to do 3 inkings. The first is, maybe I think that we need to change the title just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and circle it. I'm going to make a line here just to suggest. Maybe I'm saying we need to make it larger, smaller, change the font, maybe change the color. The second thing here is I'm going to grab my yellow highlighter and I'm just going to highlight this management portion really quickly. I'm going to go back to my black ink and I'm just going to make a quick note just like that. Maybe I'm saying we need to add more, maybe remove some of it, something along those lines. The third thing is, let's say I wanted to get rid of a section, maybe the leadership section. I can go ahead and select the red ink and I'm just going to kind of scribble it out just to, again, let the original author know that I think we need to get rid of it. So we've done 3 kind of sets of inkings here. Now the nice thing is that once the original author receives it, all the way on the right hand side of the Draw tab, there's a button that says Ink Replay. When they click that button, they're actually going to be able to see a replay of everything that we did. They're really going to be able to see what our thought process was. So that's the first way, right? All we did was inking. We're going to follow up now by looking at, well, what if I actually want to make some changes? I'm not just inking, but now I'm actually editing. So to make some changes to this document using our pen, we're going to select the Ink Editor button. That's going to allow us to actually make changes. I'm going to click on the black ink here, and I'm going to circle the title. And now you can see it's been selected. I can go ahead and make it smaller from here, and I can also change the color of my title. So I've made one change so far. Let's say that I actually want to highlight part of this document. I'm going to go back to my highlighter, and I'm just going to quickly highlight the management portion, and you can see the application understands what I'm trying to do here, and it'll actually kind of neaten everything up for me. And then the last edit that we'll make will be actually removing some text. So I'm going to go ahead and select the red ink, and now I'm just going to scribble out that whole leadership portion. And what I want you to notice is that the computer understands and it actually gets rid of that section. So that's 2 ways that we can use our pen, again, to really interact with Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and use our computer super naturally. We can do inking if we want to kind of make some suggestions, or we can click on the Ink Editor button and actually go ahead and make those changes. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. We're definitely going to keep on making more in the future. Thanks for watching.